What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited. It's about time that I finally unbox my brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I got this for Christmas thanks to Elliot and I've been leaving it, waiting to unbox it, and today is the day. Finally gonna do it. So I haven't upgraded my phone since about 2020 with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I'm keen to see what the difference is between the two of them. Obviously the camera should be way better and it should run a lot smoother, so let's unbox it. Okay guys, I've finished unboxing the phone. I put it in a case with a screen protector so it's ready to go. I just got to put all my details in, make sure everything transfers, and then I'll show you the final look.
Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music.
Okay guys, so the moment of truth for me with the new phone is checking out the photos and video quality. So to do this, I took some videos of my cat Gingy with my 12 Pro Max in comparison to the 17 Pro Max. So let's check out the differences. So guys, definitely the 17 Pro Max is way crispier than the 12. I'm so glad that I upgraded. Plenty of good content coming up soon with the TikToks and YouTube, so make sure you follow us below. Make sure you also leave a comment about what your thoughts are on the new phone, if anyone has it already, what your opinions are. I know I'm a bit behind the 8 ball with it, but I'm so glad to be a part of the family with the iPhone 17. So thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.